to identify verification on LinkedIn. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can identify verification on LinkedIn. So the LinkedIn offers several ways to verify your identity or credential on your profile, which can help you to enhance your professional reputation and build trust with connection. So if you want to verify your identity and credential on LinkedIn, here are the key methods. First of all, you have to add and verify your phone number. So just navigate to your profile, which is on the top left corner of this screen, and here you have to go for your setting. Once you are on your setting, here you have to just go for the sign in and security, and here you can see the phone number option. So on your phone number option, you have to add your phone number option and verify your phone number option. After that, the LinkedIn will send you a verification code. Write the verification code which has been sent to your email here. That go for the submit option. Once you are done, you have to write your phone number and you have to select your country where you are based in. Just scroll down and select your country here. After that, you have to type your phone number and you have to just go and send the code. You will successfully verify the phone number verification. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily have the verification completed, and so with the help of this simple step, you can easily have the identification verification on your LinkedIn. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.